पुट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. अगर उस जगह नहीं है तो फ्रेश पेज पर क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 डालेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. ईशानवी, कॉपी. कॉपी इज इन विच यू राइट. कल हमने ग्रुप में सेंड करा था, आपने कंप्लीट नहीं करा था काम.
मैंने 2 क्वेश्चन तक किया था.
कल हमने 3 क्वेश्चंस करे थे और मैंने ग्रुप में पोस्ट भी करा था. मैंने आपसे कहा था जिनका काम कंप्लीट नहीं हो पाया क्लास में वो आप घर पे कंप्लीट कर लीजिएगा. आपने कंप्लीट क्यों नहीं करा? अब आपको वहां पर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 लिखकर स्पेस छोड़नी पड़ेगी और उसके बाद क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 आज का काम शुरू करेंगे. Children, all of you completed the 3 question and answers yesterday. जिसका क्लास में नहीं हो पाया था उसने बाद में कंप्लीट करा अपना वर्क. Very good. Everybody is giving a thumbs up. Ali, did you complete your work?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Yes, Manjeet. Manjeet, science copy.
Okay, ma'am.
Did you finish yesterday's work? कल जो काम सेंड करा था क्लास में शुरू किया था वो 3 क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स कंप्लीट हो गए.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now put question number 4 in the margin if you have space over there. अगर आपके पास उसी पेज पर स्पेस है तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 मार्जिन में लिखेंगे. अगर स्पेस नहीं है तो फ्रेश पेज पर शुरू करेंगे. Got it, everyone? Now I'm going to share the screen. Have you all opened your notebooks? All right, very good. Pranjali, put question number 4 in the margin. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 के लिए स्पेस लीव करिए और क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 मार्जिन में डालिए. Question number 4 says, name any 2 non-living things. Name any 2 non-living things. Question number 4, name any 2 non-living things. Answer. 2 non-living things are table and car. Table and car.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Anaya?
मैम हम लोग जैसे कि अपने हाथ से लिख सकते हैं
Yes?
एग्जाम में.
Yes, child?
मैम हम लोग नॉन लिविंग थिंग अपने उससे लिख सकते हैं माइंड से.
Yes. You want to write something else? 2 non-living things? You're most welcome. 2 non-living things are table and car. अगर आप अपने मन से कोई और 2 non-living things लिखना चाहते हैं then you can do so. That's very good. You are thinking. You're using your brains. You're thinking. That's very good. Question number 5. What are natural things? Question number 5. What are natural things? Hassan, did you complete your 3 questions yesterday? Hassan, did you complete the other 3 questions that I had given yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Have you started writing? Question number 4. Question number 5. What are natural things? Things that are not made by man are known as natural things. They are already present in nature. For example, mountains, rivers, rocks, clouds, etc. Write slowly and neatly. Look at the screen. Make sure that you're writing the correct spellings, children. After you finish, revise your work. Rudraksh, are you writing?
Instant दिखा दीजिए.
Yes, just a
Yes,
second.
ma'am.
Just a second.
मैम पिक्चर नहीं दिख रही.
Just 1 minute. Rudraksh, let me see your copy where you're
Yes,
writing.
ma'am.
Let me see your copy. अपना कैमरा थोड़ा सा बेंड करिए. Mobile. I want to see your copy where you're writing. Okay. Nipun,
मैम
let me see your
पिक्चर नहीं
copy.
दिख रही.
Nipun, let me see your copy. Are you writing?
मैम स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही है.
Just 1 second.
पिक्चर नहीं दिख रही.
Children, I'll
वो
just show
मैम
it to you.
स्क्रीन नहीं आ रही है.
Wait. Just wait. Nipun, let me see your register or copy
मैम
wherever you are writing, child.
मैम मैम
Rudraj, just a second. I will just show you the screen. Wait. Nipun, let me see where you're writing. Nipun, let me see. Show me your copy. Lift it up. Nipun. Lift your copy, Nipun.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम स्क्रीन दिखा दीजिए.
Arham, I will just show you the screen. Wait.
दिख रही है.
Screen अभी हम दिखा रहे हैं. 2 मिनट रुकिए. Let me see that everybody is writing. Question number 4. Everybody has finished? All right. Start writing question number 5 then. What are natural things?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Vaishnavi.
Please tell me the answer number 4.
Answer number 4. Two non-living things are table and car. Got it? Make sure you, when you're writing, you are saying it. बोलकर लिखिएगा जो भी लिख रहे हैं. Question 5. What are natural things? Things that are not made by man are known as natural things. They are already present in nature. For example, mountains, rivers, rocks, clouds, etc. Say and write. I want to see your lips moving. I can see you all. I have joined from the other device also so that I can see you. Aram, you finished?
Yes, ma'am. Last line.
All right. Shivansh, have you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
You have finished writing?
Excuse me, ma'am. रिवर के बाद क्या है? मेरे
Rocks.
तक से ये भेज दीजिएगा.
Revise your work, Shivansh, after you finish.
नार के बाद क्या है?
Yes, Pranjali?
मैम, फाइनल वाली क्वेश्चन नार के बाद क्या है?
KNOWN, known. Things that are not made by man are known as natural things. जो
Excuse
चीजें
me,
मैम
ma'am,
ने
are you
नहीं
done?
बनाई है उनको हम नेचुरल चीजें बोलते हैं. All right, Aram. Now you can take your register like yesterday we did. Start writing in the
Okay, ma'am.
register and learning it up.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Anaya, you also finished?
Ma'am, I have done my work.
Okay, good. Now take your register.
Excuse me,
Write
ma'am.
this answer in your register and learn. Yes, Prashasti?
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done my work.
Okay, good. Lift your copy. Let me see all of you, those who finished.
Okay, ma'am.
The ones who have finished, show me your work. Inaya, let me see your copy. Lift it up. Good, Prashasti. Inaya, let me see your work also.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. All right, good. Neat work. Now just make sure that you're checking all your spellings. There shouldn't be any
Thank you, ma'am.
spelling mistakes. Welcome. Aram, let me see your work. Arham, you have also finished. Let me see.
मैम शो कर रहा है.
Yes. Okay, good. Neat work. Now start writing it in your register and learn it up. Write and learn.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. What happened? Shivansh, you have also finished? Shivansh, you said you finished?
Done my work.
Hayat is also finished. Okay, good. Yes, Hayat, I can see good work. Now, write it in your register. Hayat, you're wearing your uniform. It's nice, child. You look smart in your uniform, but you should wear the complete uniform. You should wear a tie also along with the uniform. Then you look even smarter, right? All those children who have their uniforms, Monday when we are having the yoga day celebration, make sure you're wearing your uniform in the morning. For the morning assembly, when you're joining, make sure you're wearing your uniform. You look smart in your uniform. For your yoga classes, you can wear your comfortable clothes, but in the morning, you wear a uniform for the assembly. Those children who had joined late, there were many children who came late in the first period for class. Please listen, I'm telling you once again, Monday, 21st June, we are having celebration for yoga, International Yoga Day. उस दिन हम लोग के क्लासेस स्टडी क्लासेस नहीं होंगे. मॉर्निंग में 8 o'clock a link will be sent in the group which you will join for the assembly, and in that assembly the principal is also going to be there, vice principal, the headmistress, all the teachers and students will be there. After that, once that assembly is over, a fresh link will be sent to you at 9:50 to join for the yoga class. You'll have your yoga
Excuse me, ma'am.
with your PT मैम. जैसे थर्सडे को हुआ था उसी तरह से फ्रेश लिंक आएगा, आप ज्वाइन
Excuse me, ma'am.
करेंगे PT के लिए. Inaya, can you hear that ma'am is speaking, child?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, then you're supposed to wait. I hope all of you have heard and understood what I said for the Monday instructions for the classes. We will not have your regular study classes, will be suspended that day. But you'll have your morning assembly, special assembly for yoga at 8. And then at 9:50 a link will be sent to you to join for the yoga class which will be taken by PT ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, morning असेंबली
मॉर्निंग में लिंक आएगा, आपको वो ज्वाइन करना है।
मैम ड्रेस पहनना जरूरी है,
Yes,
कंपलसरी है।
yes, you will have to join. The principal is going to be there in the meeting.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम।
Yes, Shivansh.
मैम किस दिन ज्वाइन होना है?
शिवांश, हमने अभी क्या बोला, आप ध्यान से सुनिएगा, ठीक है। मंडे को सुबह 8 बजे क्लास ग्रुप में एक लिंक आएगा, वो आप ज्वाइन करेंगे। उसमें पढ़ाई नहीं होगी मंडे को। शिवांश, आप सुन रहे हैं? पढ़ाई नहीं होगी मंडे को। इंटरनेशनल योगा डे का सेलिब्रेशन है मंडे को। ग्रुप में 8 o'clock पे लिंक आएगा, वो आप ज्वाइन करेंगे। उसमें प्रिंसिपल होंगे, वाइस प्रिंसिपल, सिस्टर विल बी देयर, द हेड मिस्ट्रेस, ऑल द टीचर्स, स्टूडेंट्स। जब वो असेंबली कंप्लीट हो जाएगी, आप एग्जिट हो जाएंगे। उसके बाद 9:50 पर एक और लिंक आपको सेंड करा जाएगा, वो आप ज्वाइन करेंगे योगा की क्लास के लिए। सारे बच्चे साथ में योगा करेंगे। शिवांश, आपको समझ में आया मैम ने क्या बोला? यस, समझ में आ गया?
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम।
शिवांश, आर यू लुकिंग एट मी और यू आर लुकिंग अराउंड इन द रूम? Yes, Arav. All right, very good. Now write it in your register and learn.
एक्सक्यूज मी
Yes, Omar. Okay, very good.
मैम।
It's nice to see that you are doing your work nicely, neatly in the class. Very good. After you finish, you will write it in your register and learn. Hassan has also finished.
Ma'am, I am done.
You've done your work. Very good, Hassan.
Ma'am, I have done my work.
Yes, Kriday, let me see. Okay, good. Now you will write it in your register and learn.
मीनिंग क्या होती है?
Manjeet,
मैम रॉक्स की मीनिंग क्या होती है?
रॉक्स बोलते हैं पत्थरों को। रिवर्स नदियाँ होती हैं, रॉक्स पत्थर होते हैं, क्लाउड्स बादल होते हैं, और ETC एक्सेट्रा मीन्स और भी बहुत सी चीज़ें जो गॉड ने बनाई हैं, नेचुरल चीज़ें जो ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट है नेचर में।
थैंक यू मैम।
Now children, I'm going to...
I have done my work.
Ali is finished his work. Let's see, Ali, lift your copy.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ronit.
I am done my work.
Okay, good. All right, Ali. Now write in your register and start learning it up. Everyone, you should keep your registers also with you. Now you have all become very smart children. You are doing your work quickly in the class and you are learning also. Yes, Pranjali. प्रांजलि, जब आप करेंगी तब काम होगा। स्क्रीन पर काम है, लिखना शुरू कीजिए। All right, Ishanvi, very good. Now write it in your register and learn. मंजीत, अब इस काम को रजिस्टर में लिखिए और लर्न करिए। Yes, Sanvi, you have also finished. Very good. Now write it in your register, child, and learn. जब रजिस्टर में लिखेंगे, बोल कर लिखेंगे। Now I'm going to take your attendance. Listen to your names carefully and answer, all of you. Anya Nigam.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Vaishnavi.
Excuse me, ma'am. My work.
All right, Vaishnavi. Very good. Now start learning it up. वैष्णवी, आप जिस रूम में बैठी है वहां पर बहुत अंधेरा है, आप मुझे ठीक से दिख नहीं रही है। Make sure there is sufficient light in the room, child. Yes, Rishita, you have finished your work?
Yes,
All right.
ma'am.
Okay, good. Now start writing in the register and learn it up. Write and learn. When you write and learn, then you remember for a longer time. All
Okay, ma'am.
right? And listen to your names carefully. Keep answering for your names. Arav Maurya,
Yes, ma'am.
Ayat Momina Haider, Adhiraj Agarwal, Ansh Francis, Aradhya Shivastav, Astha Tripathi, Astha, Ayat Fatima Rizvi, Christopher Massey, Christopher, Hardik Gupta,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
yes Hardik, I heard you child. Hayat Khan,
Present, ma'am.
Inaya Khan,
Present, ma'am.
Ishanvi Singh,
Present, ma'am.
Hriday Singh,
Present, ma'am.
Rishita Sumani,
Present, ma'am.
Mahira Fazal, Manjeet Verma, Meher Fatima Naqvi, Mohammad Arham,
Present, ma'am.
Mohammad Mustafa, Mohammad Hassan,
Present, ma'am.
Nipun Giri, Nipun, 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 you are there in the meeting. Answer. Children, you all are sitting over there, but you're not answering.
Mom,
Ans-
picture नहीं दिख रही.
Pranjali, just wait. I've stopped the screen share just now. Some children are sitting and they are not answering for their names. Omansh Agarwal, Pranjali, Ronik,
Present, ma'am.
Prashasti,
Present, ma'am.
Prashasti,
Present, ma'am.
Ria,
Present, ma'am.
Rudraksh,
Present, ma'am.
Shivansh, Shivansh,
Present, ma'am.
Shubh Gautam,
Present, ma'am.
Syed Mohammad Wali Abbas, Vaishnavi Gupta,
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Syed Mohammad Ali Altamash,
Present, ma'am.
Vihan Tiwari, Vijwal Mehra,
Yes, ma'am.
Vinayak Agarwal,
Present, ma'am.
Sanvi Sonkar, Sanvi, Arav Nigam, Anay Mishra, निपुण, आप क्लास में बैठे हैं और आप मम्मी से बात कर रहे हैं। रूम में जो भी है आप उनसे बात कर रहे हैं। आपने अटेंडेंस के लिए आंसर नहीं दिया। हमने बार बार आपका नेम कॉल आउट करा। निपुण, कैन यू हियर मी? I cannot hear you. Your mic is on, but no sound is coming. Nipun, have you finished with your question and answers?
Ma'am, my work is done.
Yes, Vinaya, good. Nipun, no sound is coming, child. The mic is on. Your mic is on, but no sound is coming. There's some problem, I think, with the network. There's some problem with the network. Can you hear me? If yes, then give me a thumbs up, please. All right. So now you listen to me. Make sure that you finish your question and answers and learn them up. All right. I have marked you present because I could see you in the meeting, but I could not hear you. Pranjali, Pranjali, listen to what I am saying. You have finished your work? I will be sending the... Okay, I will be sending the image in the group. जिसका काम नहीं हुआ है वो अपना काम कंप्लीट कर लीजिएगा और उसको लर्न भी करना है। क्वेश्चन आंसर्स रजिस्टर में लिखकर लर्न करना है। मंडे के लिए सबने इंस्ट्रक्शंस सुन लिए हैं। एवरीबॉडी हैज गॉट द इंस्ट्रक्शंस। सबने ध्यान से सुन लिया है। एक बार फिर से बता रहे हैं, मंडे वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग इंटरनेशनल योगा डे, राइट? You will not have your study classes that day. Classes will be suspended. Morning 8 a.m. you will get the link to join the special assembly that we are going to have. We'll have the principal, vice principal, headmistress, all the teachers, students in that. Then you will get a link at 9:50 to join your yoga class. All the students are going to do yoga together, right? प्रांजलि, बहुत ध्यान से मंडे को ग्रुप में लिंक को देखिएगा। सारे नोटिस और लिंक ग्रुप में आएंगे। Now, today is Saturday. We finish with our classes for the day. Only 2 periods, and I have not given you much homework. You just have to learn the science questions that we've done today, right? So now all of you join your hands, close your eyes, let's say our prayers. We finish with the week. God has taken care of us throughout the week. He has been with us, helped us with all our studies, our work. He's given us good health. Yes, so we need to thank God. And tomorrow Sunday, you're going to enjoy with your parents. Parents will be at home. And even the weather is very nice. Yes, it's nice and cool. It's raining. I'm sure you all must be enjoying it too.
Very good.
Yes, the weather is very good, Inaya. So you'll all enjoy. Hardik, we are going to say the prayer first. Join your hands, close your eyes. Oh God, thank you for helping us to acquire wisdom of your creation during this week. Thank you for allowing me to know who I am and what are my strengths and weaknesses, and helping me to advance one more step in my precious life. May the good Lord help me and guide me on my way back home and every day of my life. This I ask for your love's sake. Amen. Good morning and thank you, children. Have a nice weekend. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Enjoy yourself and enjoy the weather.
Bye.